Ekunin, sinulit ang banding sa Iloilo. Pamamasyal sa katedral, it's a sign. Best of luck. Sinamantala ni na Janine Gutierrez at Jericho Rosales ang kanilang pahinga sa shooting ng seryeng The Loyalty Game para tuklasin ang ganda at kasaysayan ng Iloilo City. Sa kanyang Instagram, ibinahagi ni Janine ang ilang sandali ng kanilang paglalakbay at inilarawang magical ang kanilang naging karanasan sa lungsod. Explored a bit of Iloilo and it was magical, ani Janine. One of the most charming places I've ever been to, and we absolutely fell in love with all the churches and heritage houses. Dagdag niya, ayon pa sa actress, mas lalo niyang na-appreciate ang lugar dahil ilang eksena sa kanilang serye ay kinunan sa mga ancestral house. So lucky to also get to film in beautiful ancestral homes. My history geek heart is so happy. Dagdag niya. Sa mga komento, ibinahagi rin ni Janine na babalik pa sila sa Iloilo habang kasalukuyang nasa Bacolod ang production team para sa susunod na bahagi ng kanilang shooting. Samot-saring reaksyon naman ang naging komento rito ng kanilang mga supporters. I love the song choice. Suhuhuhu. I love you both. Hallelujah. So you and Jericho at SM Bacolod yesterday. Sayang hindi ako nakapagpa-picture. Hope to take picture next time. Palabas na kasi kayo, nahiya na akong humabol pa. You two both look good together. Thank you for noticing me. My fave love birds. Enjoy your stay, City of Love. Hope to see you soon. I love you both. Enjoy. BCD. Love A. I love you, my baby. I love you both. Hashtag Ekonin. The song. Stop beating. Cute. Guys. I love Iloilo. I can't wait to meet you both here in London Barrio Fiesta 26th July. I am so excited. So happy to have you here in Bacolod this time. Really can wait to see you. Hello po, babalik po ba kayo sa Iloilo? Please, come to Guimaras. Eat mangoes and go to the beach. You both went inside Iloilo Cathedral together. It's a sign. Best of luck to you. Lovebirds. Wow, Ekunin. Welcome guys to the City of Love. Hope to bump with you on your shoot. Proud to be Ilongga. Welcome to Iloilo. Well, tila sinulit nga ng Ekunin ang pamamasyal sa Iloilo at alam naman nating mahilig sila sa mga ganitong historical na ancestral house at kahit nga mga museum. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.